Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to ElectroPixels. In today's video, we are going to repair a 49-inch LG Smart LED TV that is showing a double image problem. Friends, as you can see on the screen, this is the exact complaint. This issue clearly indicates a display panel fault. These types of display issues are mainly caused by internal shorting in the gate signals inside the LCD glass panel. However, if the shorting is present on only one side of the panel, we can attempt to repair using a panel temporary fixing method. Friends, this TV comes with a T-Con integrated motherboard, which means there is no separate T-Con board in this model. Here you can see two FFC cables. These cables represent the left side and right side gate signals, and they connect the motherboard directly to both sides of the panel scaler boards. So friends, for this repair, we are going to apply the taping method. Using this method, we can block the shorted gate signals from entering the panel by masking selected pins on the FFC cable. First, we will block the gate signals from the first FFC cable. For best results, we need to mask approximately the first 15 pins. Now friends, let's carefully place the tape and make sure the pins are properly masked. After that, we reconnect the FFC cable and power on the TV to check whether the problem is solved. The double image problem still remains. We simply remove the tape from the first FFC cable and repeat the same process on the second FFC cable. So friends, after blocking the gate signals from the first FFC cable, the picture is now clear, and the double image problem has been successfully solved. But friends, please remember, this is only a temporary solution. The permanent solution is always panel replacement, and it is impossible to predict how long the display will continue to work using this method. It completely depends on user luck and usage conditions. So that's it for today's video. I hope this repair video was helpful for you. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to ElectroPixels, and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications for future repair videos. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.